Death has been on my mind quite a bit the last couple of weeks, so that's what today's video, as well as the one coming out this upcoming Saturday, will be about. There's a fictional organization called the SCP Foundation. The acronym stands for Secure, Contain, Protect. It's from a collaborative work of fiction with the same name, and in this fictional world, the SCP Foundation is responsible for locating and securing entities, objects, and locations that break our understanding of nature. Things like a toaster that can only be referred to in the first person, a mailbox that will send stalker-ish letters to any young woman who lives next to it, and an abandoned village that will attack anyone that approaches it. Literally, the village will attack you. Not the inhabitants in the village, because there aren't any, the village. I'll throw up a screenshot of some of my other favorite SCP subjects throughout this video. If you're interested in reading more, check out scp-wiki.net. Anyway, it's one of these SCP subjects that I want to focus on in this video, specifically SCP-4999. 4999 is arguably the most well-known SCP subject. He's a humanoid, middle-aged looking man, usually seen wearing a suit and smoking a cigarette. It's said that 4999 will manifest himself next to a dying person no less than 20 minutes before their death. He'll situate himself in such a way as to not disturb the dying individual. If there's furniture nearby, he'll sit in it, otherwise the floor. He'll offer the dying person a cigarette to smoke in their last moments and comfort them with a simple touch, but never saying a word. He'll stay with the individual for the remainder of their life, disappearing only after they've died. What's interesting about 4999 is how he chooses the targets he manifests to. Studies have shown that the people most likely spend their moments with 4999 were normally neglected and trodden upon during life. People that were homeless, had a history of mental illness, had no significant other or surviving family, little to no social standing in their community, and lacked significant personal or professional accomplishments in their lifetime. It's pretty clear why the story of SCP-4999 gained the traction it did. There's something undeniably comforting in the knowledge that no matter how depressing your life may have been, that in the end, there's still some mysterious entity who cared about you enough to be with you in your final moments. And on the subject of death, my next video will be on why no one should be afraid of dying. It's a subject I've been wanting to do since before I even created this channel, and it comes out this Saturday, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can catch it when it comes out.